Welcome to Quick Tech News, where we keep you updated in the world of tech without wasting your time. Apple has confirmed that they are delaying their new iPhones until later this year. Rumors of the delay have been circulating the internet for months, but Apple CFO Luca Maestri confirmed the news in an earnings call with investors today. Traditionally, new iPhones go on sale sometime around the end of September, but this time around it will be delayed by a few weeks, so nothing to be overly worried about. This also has happened before, for example with the iPhone X, which was announced in September but due to production issues didn't arrive until November. Ubisoft is launching their new game called Hyperscape on August the 11th. The futuristic battle royale shooter will be free to play and aims to take on the likes of Fortnite, Apex Legends, PUBG and Call of Duty Warzone. It will be available on Xbox One, PlayStation 4 and PC, and will launch with Season 1, which will include a 100-tier battle pass, featuring a free track as well as a premium track costing 950 of their new currency, Bitcrowns. Sounds like a bad cryptocurrency. Anyway, this currency can be earned in-game or bought with real money. The free-to-play battle royale market is a crowded one, so we'll have to see if Hyperscape manages to take a piece of the pie for themselves. If you're a PC player, you can still get in on the open beta for a couple of days, but after August the 2nd it will be closed. Amazon has posted their Q2 revenue reports and has seen its largest profit in its 26-year history. Their revenue has increased 40% from just 1 year ago to nearly $90 billion. Their share prices have also risen by over 60% this year, proving that tech companies so far seem immune to the troubles brought along by COVID-19. It makes sense though. Everyone's stuck at home, everyone's watching online streaming services like Amazon Prime, everyone's shopping online. Amazon do both of those things, and quite well to say the least. Apple and Facebook have also reported strong earnings. Do you believe that size is everything? If so, I may have a TV that's perfect for you. Xiaomi's Redmi Smart TV Max comes in at a crazy 98 inches, which is so large that they had to throw in a VIP installation service. To get some perspective on the size, take your average 50-inch TV, and then take 3 more of those side by side, and there you have it. Or if you own a double bed, just take a look at that, it's roughly the same size. The TV comes in at $2,800 US, which is a lot of money, but not that much for a TV of this size. The next cheapest option comes from ViewSonic and would cost 3 times as much. So far you have to be in China to get the TV, but that doesn't mean that Xiaomi won't start selling it in other countries too if, or rather once, they see that it's a hot seller. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could like the video, subscribe, and tell your friends to help get this channel off the ground. Thanks and see you next time.